Good morning, good morning. Happy Monday. We are headed to school, but y'all, the traffic is insane out here. Apparently there was a car accident that took place, and we've been sitting in traffic now for well over 10 minutes. I am on the highway trying to get my kids to school, and I just don't know when they will get there at this point because of the given circumstances. But happy Monday to you all. Hopefully you're having a great start to your week. August wants to tell you guys that he did his hair in a man bun today. And he's very excited about his man bun. And yeah, have a great day. Bye-bye. I just picked up this donut. It is a I forgot the name of it. Oh, a Galaxy Hershey brownie. A Galaxy brownie donut. So let me see what it's hitting on. So it has like a chocolate cream in the inside. More like a mousse or something. It's okay. Not as good as I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to have more of like a brownie flavor. A scale of 1 to 10, I give it a 5. It's not that good. So when you get to the end of this donut, it's like the mousse or whatever is down here. It tastes way better because it's like more down at the bottom area, and combined with the brownie crumbles and the chocolate and all that, it tastes way better. So update on my jaw. My jaw feels way better. I can eat normally now. I can chew on both sides as opposed to just one. But I still got this stupid cold. Like, I just keep getting colds. Like, I'm so tired of having colds. And I notice it's worse when I'm like inside and outside. But like blowing my nose all the time, and it's like very thick mucus. I'm wondering if something wrong. Like, do I need a humidifier in there or what? Because it's just bad to have mucus in your body like that anyway. But I don't know. So I know I look a little flushed, I guess, but it's because of my cold. As a single mom of 4 and my youngest being just 2 years old, I know firsthand how busy we get and how time just seems to fly by. Between feeding, diaper changing, pull-up changing, potty training, working, and maintaining my home, I never seem to have time for myself. I remember when my youngest was first born, I'd wish somebody would just come over and take the baby so I could do simple things like shampoo my hair or even just eat a meal. But that never happened for me. It was hard and I had no time to myself, let alone time to put together nice outfits. I just throw on whatever was clean and then go do whatever I had to go do. This is why I created Paired, a place where single moms with limited time can still look amazing. We offer different sets for many different occasions, making it easy to access whatever you need and to get going because your time is very limited. Most importantly, at Paired, we want women to take care of themselves and not compromise who they are as a woman to be a mom, because you don't have to choose. You can do both. Lastly, I want you to always remember that you are important and that you matter. So go ahead, head over to www.shoppaired.com. All right, so we're back in. I'm doing some strawberry lemonade green tea for snack, as well as some Miss Vicky's sea salt and vinegar chips. Once I'm done eating my snack, y'all, I'm making my wings. I'm making wings. I'm gonna make the usual potatoes I usually make, But I'm gonna put them in. I'm gonna season them differently. I'm not gonna only just put garlic on them. I'm gonna give them like a bunch of different flavors, so that it can have a kind of like a different taste to it. And then I'm just gonna have a salad. So we're just gonna have some potatoes, salad, and I don't know if I want to do baked barbecue wings or if I want to just fry them. I would love to actually make them like a buffalo wing, but I don't have any hot sauce. I have maybe a few, maybe like 5 or 6 items I need to pick up. So for there's like sauces and, you know, little things to combine, like heavy whipping cream, stuff like that. But not a lot of stuff at all, because I just did a big grocery store haul at Sam's and Whole Foods. I don't think I showed y'all this, but I did get a big 10-pound bag of potatoes yesterday from Sam's Club. I just took out 8 of them and put them in the dish. And this, I can at least make at least 6 more batches of potatoes, or 6, you know what I mean, 6 other meals, depending on what I'm doing with this bag. So this was also a good buy. All right, so this is dinner. I fried my wings. I baked the potatoes. I seasoned them with lemon pepper, and they came out really good. And then we just got a little salad on the side there. Yeah, it's Augie. You want me to show you a plate too? Okay, there you go. There go Augie plate.
My plate too.
Okay, now Ace needs to show his. I guess Aiden needs his shown too, so we're just gonna show his just for the heck of it. He already ate all his potatoes because he said it was really good. August's laundry. That's about to get folded up. As y'all know, I cooked dinner. I just showed y'all the laundry that I did. I gave the kids their bath. I'm actually about to put August's pajamas on now. They are fresh out the dryer. So he's dressed, Ace is dressed for bed. August is about to be dressed for bed. I'm about to fold the laundry. I kind of was going to try to sneak a shampoo in for myself, but I don't know. It's already after 9, so I don't know if I want to do that. I don't know. Maybe I could just shampoo and then shampoo and blow dry tonight, and then flat iron tomorrow. Maybe that'll be a better way for me, because I have not been able to do this every Friday regimen. I try, but Fridays I just be so chill. I just be like wanting to sit around, and I'm like wrapped up in the fact that I don't have anything to do on Saturday, you know, so I just don't, like, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to feel pressured on Friday. I don't know if maybe I should come back in versus staying out all day, come back in and do my hair like Friday mornings, you know? That way, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know. I'm going to figure something out, though, because I've been doing a lot better than I was doing before with my hair, but it's still not the regimen that I want. So, trying to work that out. Augie, what you wearing to school tomorrow, Pop?
Mama, I'm wearing to school tomorrow.
Then every time you get off the floor, you already got your bath and your pajamas on?
How do you see this one?
Augie, you not finished your snack yet? I want you to finish your snack before you put your pajamas on. You know what really irritates me is stuff like this. I literally just did all this laundry, okay? Just for him to walk over here and wipe Cheetos on his sock. Blower.